I'm going to show you an interactive game that addresses a part of Standard 1.0, Solve Simple Linear Equations. The first thing you need to do is open Internet Explorer. If you don't have Google set as your home page, go to google.com. Once you get there, do a search for Virtual Library of Math Manipulatives. Click on the first result. Once you get to the site, you're going to click in the box that is for grades 6 through 8 and for algebra. After you do that, you will see a list of virtual manipulatives. Click on the first game called Algebra Balanced Scales. This is an interactive virtual manipulative that allows you to solve simple linear equations through the use of a balance beam. Go ahead and click the close button. At the top of the workspace, there is a simple linear equation. If you don't like that problem or you think it's a little bit too hard for you, click New Problem at the bottom and keep going until you like a problem that you would like to work with. So, here is your simple linear equation. Below that, you have a 1 unit block and an x unit block. The x stands for the unknown. At the very bottom, there is a balance beam, where you are going to drag the unit blocks to match the linear equation. The left side of the equation goes to the left side of the balance beam. The right side of the equation goes to the right side of the balance beam. In this case, you have 2x plus 2 equals 4. So on the left side, you have 2x plus 2. So you're going to drag these two x's to make 2x. So you just click, drag, and let go. Once you let go, the blocks will snap into place. So you have the two x's that stands for 2x. Now you need plus 2. So I'm going to click and drag my 1 unit block 2 times. Again, it will snap into place. As you can see, you have the left side of your linear equation complete. But the balance beam is now unbalanced. This means that we still need to complete the other side of our equation. The right side of my equation is just 4, so I'm going to click, drag, and let go my 1 unit block 4 times. If you happen to put a wrong block and it becomes unbalanced again, just click that block, drag to the trash can, and let go. Once you have correctly represented both sides of the equation, the balance beam will restore balance. Now you're going to click Continue below. This next workspace you will see is now solving for x in the same equation. Below are the 4 different functions: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But watch out, because the only allowable operations require that you do the same thing to both sides of the beam, and thus to both sides of the equation. So what you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So in this case, I want to subtract 2 to both sides. So I'm going to click Subtract, I'm going to type in 2, and then I'm pressing Go. Now you have 2x equals 2. Every time you do an operation, the box is updated with a new equation. And thus, so is the balance beam. You have 2x's equals 2. So to solve for x, you must do the inverse operation of multiplication, which is division. So you click Divide, you have to divide by 2, click in 2, and then press Go. Now you have x equals 1. Your answer is right here in the middle. The left side of the balance beam says x, and the right side of the balance beam says 1. Now you have solved for x. To continue with more problems, click New Problem, just as I showed you in the beginning, and continue the same way. Don't forget, if you put a wrong block on the wrong side, all you do is click, drag to the trash can, and there you go.